welcome back bafowethu. It's Sunday on Conversation That Matters. Silana e-Youth Center. As we spoke on the last episode bafowethu ukuthi abahlali bafuna i-land. We can't do anything without land. Abantu abanandawo zokuhlala. Besides nje uku-establisha ama-business ethu ukuthi sithole i-land njengoba ngangikhulumile kule last episode, but now silana e-Youth Center. It seems like umasipala uyabezwa abantu. We'll try to get some few people bazosijoyina la ku-conversation today, but bafethu silana e-Youth Center. It's a Sunday.
Bonke lana bafethu, malibonke mafusi. Yazi bengicabanga ukuthi yonke lento le yenzeka lana njengoba nibona yabo. Ukuthi kubhaliswa izindlu khona la e-Standerton eMpumalanga. So ngayo yonke lento eyenzeka manje mina ngokubona kwami kade zithenjiswa ngazi izindlu and mina ngibona ngazathi some power manipulation yabo or some emotional power yabo ukuthi abantu babe nethemba ukuthi bazovotela i-ANC ngoba ngendlela engibona ngayo lo muntu ophethe yena la hayi le miya yethu ukuze ahlale lapha kulesa sikhundla ahlele kuzo azange samvotela nakancane cabinet yakhe lapha yana kamasipala emfakile. So ngaloko we have questions ngoba ngokubona kwami mina umuntu osinika kahle zonke izindlu umuntu walapha yana abambiza uLouis Tabethe owafaka izindlu le eRekopen and waphinde wayithola izindlu zangale zase-8 abantu bahleli bajabulile even though izindlu zakhona zihlelanga kahle. Ngani ngisho njalo akunaskontera, infrastructure yakhona ihlelanga grand, akunama ama-pole akhona ibiza ngalezi zinto ama-polo mina ama-street light, that's the proper word, ama-street light. So njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi hayi angicabanga ukuthi yonke lento lena izo-approve izoba right even though izoyenzeka perhaps kusafana abantu bethu basadinga imisebenzi. Kuyimanje sikhuluma nge-mall, i-mall ibhizi laphayana bayasebenza and wasithembisa yena futhi wathi sibhalisa yonke lento lena kuze socashwa laphayana and still kusebenza abantu abangaphandle and currently manje uma unga-check i-date namhlanje yi-9 zaMeyi kuyabheda chashwa ama-foreigner yonke leyo nto leyo ngiyabonga kuningi kukhulu. Thank you.
Sure bafethu njengoba sekakhulumile uMelB, nami ngivumelana naye. I think this is some power manipulation nyana because bayakuza ama-election njengoba sibona, so they are doing their best ukuthi bakhona ukusidoba, yabo bayasidoba manje bafuna sibavotele. Dala abantu banganazindlu, so khani umnyakazo uzoyenzeka manje. So I think this thing samele sihlalele kahle phansi sibone because idlalwa ngabantu la. As you can see kugcwele la the-social center manje kugcwele. You can see ukuthi Standerton abantu abanazo indawo zokuhlala. The only thing we can do bafethu, we must fight.